guys and dolls, welcome to the makeup community. I know this is a whole lot of Chris coming at you on the screen, but I wanted to show you this beautiful eye look that I created from the palette that I'm going to review and swatch for you today. So I think you're really going to like it. It's got 24 gorgeous colors, very easy to work with, going to look good on every skin tone, and it's only $20. So hang in there. I'm going to zoom you out so I'm not all up on your screen, and we will get started. And we're back. I'm back. So I'm going to review the Makeup Revolution, the Emily Edit The Wants palette. So she came out with two palettes. One is the Needs, one is the Wants. And I played with the Needs at Ulta. It is very pretty. It comes with 6 everyday neutral eyeshadows, a blush, a bronzer, a highlight, and a brightening powder, all for $15. But I already have so much of that that I skipped that, but I definitely wanted the Wants palette. So this has 24 different shades, bunch of different textures. You got some mattes, some shimmers, very beautiful. And like I said, it's only $20. Now this is available at Ulta and the Makeup Revolution website. So I'm going to swatch these for you in rows going up and down instead of left to right, because, you know, it fits on my hands better. I don't know. So I'm going to do that for you. Before I get started, let me do my little intro here, because you're definitely going to notice that in my voice, and you'll be, you know, doing close-ups of my hands. You're going to notice that they have tremors. That's kind of how everything started. I have Parkinson's syndrome, and so I want to show that if you have something going on, it doesn't mean that your life is over or you have to give up something that you love. You don't have to. We believe makeup is for everybody, every ability, every disability, every gender, every skin tone, every income level. And my vision is for the makeup community to be more of a social thing, where in the comment section we discuss makeup. So if you are a pro, a makeup maven, and we can pick your brain, that would be wonderful if you would subscribe. If you're new to makeup, or, you know, just kind of growing your makeup knowledge, that's perfect, because we're kind of a back to basics channel. And if you just love talking about makeup, also subscribe, because we are the place for you, where we can just a safe, positive, fun place just to talk about makeup. So let's start swatching this gorgeous palette. I've played with it for about a week now, because I wanted to get a good feel of whether I'd like it or not just have it be, you know, first impressions. So I'm going to start with the Cream, which is a beautiful matte ivory. Next we've got Midwest, which is a very pretty transition shade, that nice matte tan, and yeah, kind of tan color, little bit of orange underneath there. Next is Oh Heavens. This is what I'm using for my highlight under my brow bone and in the inner corners. It is a beautiful shimmering ivory. And then the next one I've used quite a bit. I haven't used it today, but I've used quite a bit in looks. And this one is a shimmery light pink called Cupcake. So that's your first row there. And we're going to move into the second row, which is all mattes. The first one we come to is Hobby, which is a light brown, also very nice transition shade. Dues Paid is what I used today to darken my transition shade a little bit here. It's just a little darker. I would say that one has a little more of a red base to it, tan. Then we have Love Tons, which is an absolute gorgeous cranberry matte right there. And one of my favorites, Laugh Cry, which is a very vivid coral color. And like I said, those are all mattes. They're all very blendable, very workable. I've been happy with them. The darker mattes do stain a little bit, so definitely I would recommend putting down a shadow primer or concealer before you put them on your lid. All right, so we're coming up to round number 3, Prayer. This is what I used for my transition shade today. It's got a little more rosy undertone. Eve Rose. Oh, it looks pink in the pan, but it is a light gold with a pink shift, metallic. Then Pizzazz. I like Pizzazz. It is a metallic pinky purple. And then Cheer is a maroon matte shade. This is one of the ones that stained a little bit, so like I said, make sure you put a primer down, but that's not a make it or break it for me at all. All right, so the next column is just gorgeous. I'm trying not to use stunning or pigmented or absolutely, and it's getting really hard. So Grateful, one of my favorites, this light green metallic. Look how pretty that is. Belle Violet is a metallic violet. Love that. Family is a matte plum. And I gotta say, for a matte purple, because those are really hard to get right, this is very smooth. I'm very impressed with them. And then Heartbeat is a metallic cranberry. Very pretty. So the next column, which is the next to last row, Good Vibes. Good Vibes is a coppery color, very pigmented, absolutely. Capricorn is a metallic brown, also very pretty. The next one is Top Story. It is a very vibrant pigmented gold. I love this one. That might be one of my favorites. Look at that shine. And then the last one of this row is Corduroy, which is a really pretty green matte. All right, so we are on the last row. So first we have got a moss metallic with a gold shift called Side Hustle. I love that color. That's very unique. The next is a dark, very dark, plummy called Pie Fi. And the next is a matte brown, which is Apartment. I use that to deepen my corners today. And then last we have Dark and Early, which is a very workable black. So all in all, you guys probably already guessed, I love this palette. I think it's absolutely great. Everything blends well. Everything looks beautiful on the eye. It's easy to use. They have been sold out. I had to go to a couple different Ultas to find one, but the girl at the Ulta that I went to this past weekend said that they are getting more in and to hang in there. So if you want to get it from Ulta or Ulta.com, hopefully they'll have them back in soon. Or you can go to the Makeup Revolution website. There it is again. And I definitely recommend this. I think they're gorgeous. So the Emily Edit the Wants palette. $20, 24 eyeshadows. I mean, you can't beat that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and sorry it's been kind of a haphazard day, so it's pretty short and sweet and to the point. So if you think that makeup is for everybody, if we can pick your brain, or if you're learning, please subscribe to the channel. And we're new, so if you could spread the word about it, that'd be great, and we can build the makeup community into a really great place to be. So that does it. Short and sweet, nice review, to the point. I will talk to you guys down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.